Don't give up, have confidence in yourself. If you come up with an idea, don't reject it because you think it is wrong or silly, but trust that it popped into your mind for a good reason. Don't give up on your instinctive choices, but instead find ways of putting them into the performance. Conversely, if you are told to cut something out, don't. Instead, replace it with something else. After all, there must have been a reason why you came up with the original idea, so changing it to something else acknowledges that there is something that needs to be theatricalized. Just cutting things out leads to empty and unfulfilled acting, so change rather than delete. There must be a reason why you became an actor, are an actor, and that is that deep down you feel you have something to offer, something inside you that is of worth to the world of performing. That is the something that spurs you to make a certain move, to do a certain piece of business, or to decide on a particular characterization. All these decisions are important. The problem is that most acting, until or unless you occupy stellar heights, is filtered through a whole range of other people, starting with the director, often passing through the producer, and maybe even touching on those who raised the money for the project in the first place. They will all want to influence you as to what you do, for the creative impulse is a very seductive one, and many others will want to share in it, even going so far as to claim credit for it. Your job as an actor is to realize that your initial impulse is of value. If it is rejected, do not let go of it, but come up with an adaptation. If they also do not want that, do not give up, do not ignore your own impulse, and come up with another adaptation of the idea. There must be a good reason why your brain came up with it in the first place, and it is a waste of talent if it just disappears at the first suspicion that it might not be fully accepted. Treat every impulse of yours as a valuable note from your subconscious to you, suggesting an approach, an instinctive response that should be respected by you, if not by all your co-workers. In particular, notice whenever you make a ridiculous suggestion with a laugh, because the laugh is your conscious mind trying to prevent a stupid idea from coming out. Your subconscious has had a really neat insight and is struggling to get it through your personal censor.